Hi everyone, I want to show you tweetchat just real quick. I wanted to put a video just to kind of show this a little bit more clearly. So you'll notice on my screen I'm already at tweetchat.com, and once I'm here I am going to search for the hashtag that I want to follow. Now this goes back to a document that you've already referred to earlier this week. You need to find a chat and the time that that chat takes place. So the chat that I'm going to follow right now is one-to-one TE chat, TE for teacher. And when I search for this in my tweet deck, in my tweet chat, it's going to load a live stream. And let's wait here for just a minute because I know this chat is going on currently. So I might refresh it here in just a minute. There it comes. Okay, so a couple of chats that have already come up. Now, I will say this chat is in the middle of its session. So we literally are jumping in on this as they are bouncing ideas around already. Typically what happens at the very beginning, a facilitator will start and just kind of start by giving maybe about the first 5 minutes of the chat time for people to introduce themselves. So if I were jumping on at that point, I would say, hi from Colleen in Kansas City, or something like that. So once the facilitator starts asking questions, they are going to shoot out questions that have a Q1 next to it. So you notice this particular tweet has an A4. Well, he's answering the fourth question that has already been shot out to this group. So this is what tweet chat kind of looks like. And really it's nothing more than just this hashtag already filtering all of the tweets going on with where that hashtag is being used. And this is what a chat is. It's literally a bunch of people that you quite possibly know no one. And some of these you might decide to follow so that you're adding these people to your PLN. And honestly, this is a good way to build your PLN. So that's how this looks. Now, you'll notice though that I don't have anywhere to post to. So when I am at tweetchat and I'm following my hashtag, I also want to sign in. And when I sign in for this, you'll notice it takes me to a more of like a Twitter authorization page. So I need to authorize this app, and once I do that, it's like tweetchat becomes embedded in my Twitter stream almost. So anyway, here's what that looks like. So now you notice that I do have the ability to tweet something out to everyone else following this chat. So notice here how I want to pause this for just a minute. So I'm going to pause this. Notice how this tweet came through highlighted. Well, it looks like this is it looks like she's trying to highlight what it is that she's doing with that particular question. Typically, you just see this, that the facilitator will highlight a new question when something comes out. So, all right, I have 5 new tweets since I paused this. Let me start this again, and here's everything that has come through since then. Okay, so how do you start to connect with people or find something to discuss? I paused this again, and look here. It's the facilitator has now as well just highlighted one additionally. So this starts out by saying, all right, Q5, meaning question 5, in a minute for one-to-one chat, and that's kind of how that hashtag is. And so this is just kind of a preview to everyone in the discussion. So when you see this kind of filter by, you know that, oh, okay, another question is going to be coming up in just a minute. See, the facilitator shoots out these questions and everyone else kind of answers. So it's just a real rapid fire way of answering questions and having a facilitator there to ask. Typically it's about 6 to 8 questions or something like that in the time frame of an hour. All right, so I still have this paused. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and just kind of see what some of the tweets have been that have come by. So it looks like some of these, you can tell they are already maybe discussions going on between people. Okay, so you can see that like Sean McCuster responded back to Ski TX, which I'm assuming is someone in Texas for the obvious reason here. And so anyway, you can see that he very directly replied back to her. But let's go back up here. Let's see if the fifth question has come by, and right here it is. So again, I'm going to pause this. So who are your top 3 best go-to helpers? So what's going to happen here in a minute is people are going to start answering it by putting an A5 next to their answer, and they're going to have people that they follow, it looks like in this case. So let me pause this again. Here is an example right here. So this girl responded to answer 5 of this chat, and these are her 3 go-to people on Twitter for great ideas. They're people who are very current and that sort of thing. Honestly, I don't know who this first and third person are, but Erin Klein is someone who I follow, and she puts out all kinds of great stuff. So this is yet another way of building your PLN. If at this point I wanted to follow one of these people, I could click on their handler, go to his page, and just click follow right from here. Okay, it's just following people is just that simple. And when you see people on chats, that's how you might want to start following people as well. All right, so it looks like someone is already signing off. And all right, so this is really kind of how it is that a chat works. Oh my gosh, someone just signed off and someone else just signed on. So anyway, so that's kind of it. If you wanted to tweet something out to everyone using this, what you would do is you would use the little tweet box. Notice that the hashtag has already been added here, and I already can see that I only have 128 characters instead of the 140 characters. So that's kind of it, guys. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you a little bit of an experience as to what a chat looks like. And I am interested in trying out just a center chat. So if you are interested in doing that this week, rather than trying to find your own, I will be sending out information on that. All right, see you guys later.